Happy lunchtime! First menu is my lovely kimchi. Once, twice, and 3 times kimchi love. Broccoli and tofu salad. You know, broccoli is super healthy, right? Enough. Next, jjajangmyeon, sweet and sour noodles. Slurps, so good. Next menu is samosa fries, crispy pockets filled with mashed potatoes and minced meat. Don't forget the sauce. Drizzle. Main dish time, giant oven baked chicken leg. Oh my gosh, the visuals are crazy. And finally, Korean style curry. Wow, have you ever tried it? The aroma is just insane. Craving it already. Wow. 잘 먹겠습니다.